following contest is an Extreme Rules match. Making his way to the ring, weighing 323 pounds, King!
Listen to this WWE Universe! They've been waiting all night to see their favorite superstar.
Approaching the ring from Greenwich, Connecticut, weighing 255 pounds, the Game Triple H!
King, over the past 20 years, we've watched as Triple H has become one of the most powerful figures in sports entertainment history.
Well, that's true. He's come a long way, Cole. But I'm willing to bet that the game will tell you he has even further to go.
And the Extreme Rules match is underway. Anything and everything will be legal in this one. He gets out of trouble there.
Here we go with Kane.
Oh, that elbow's gotta hurt. What a punch! Kane has gained the upper hand.
And he drops the leg across his opponent.
Triple H. He's been a Connecticut Blue Blood, the leader of DX, the leader of Evolution, a decorated champion, and now Chief Operating Officer of the WWE. You have to admire the dynamic career this man has had, the dedication, the drive, and you can tell that he has the respect of everyone in that locker room and in each corner of the WWE Universe.
He knows his opponent is completely helpless to resist the submission hold.
Just trying to goad his opponent into making a mistake here.
And there are those educated feet.
He's still not through.
Jerry Lawler, when you take a look at the career of Triple H, it's important to remember this is a man who's been at the top of this business, whether leading a faction like D-Generation X or Revolution, or being on his own. It's how he has become known as the King of Kings.
And one of the things about Triple H that has defined him throughout his career was his sensational appetite to be the very best. I mean, the game stopped at nothing to reach whatever heights he could achieve. Now, as COO of the WWE, he's using that same mentality to propel the company into the 21st century.
Boston Crab attempt here, causing such pain to the lower body. You can almost start to see him fading now.
Yeah, with each wrench, this gets closer to being over.
He saw that one coming.
Oh, wait, nice reversal. Oh, man. Oh, there it is. Look out. Look at This is such a painful hold. I guess he's done with that move.
Yeah, but what's he going to do next? And that was a huge counter.
He's going.
And only a 1 count. No disqualification match. Again, these men can do anything they want to each other.
Remember, there are no countouts in this contest. This match could end up anywhere. Well, Kane has always been short on words. We all know that. But he isn't short on ways that he can knock you silly. Like if he drops a big boot on you, he literally knocks guys from the apron all the way to the announce table through the air with that big foot. These no DQ matches are so dangerous.
Hear it.
Oh my gosh, he stopped it. Man, I thought he was done for. Watch it.
Oh, stopped at the last second.
After all of these shots to the head, I've got a feeling that Soup's going to be on his diet for the foreseeable future.
We're in the midst of a WWE no disqualification match, and things are about to get extreme.
Oh! King, did you see that? Oh, man, it doesn't get much closer than that.
Moving on pure instinct now. Down goes the game.
Yeah, but I don't anticipate Triple H staying down for long, Cole. Not much the official can do right now. This is a no disqualification match. Ooh, Kane looks hurt after that.
Good Lord, he's just hell-bent on maiming his opponent.
The more punishment he takes,
Ouch, he's going to be bruised from head to toe before this one's over.
every time he has...
And I think it's obvious that he'll stop at nothing to win here tonight. I don't think there's any lengths that these superstars won't go to achieve victory here tonight. And I think it's obvious that he'll stop at nothing to win here tonight.
Look at this. He's just barely moving. I'm not sure he can get back to his feet.
The damage has definitely been done. Now she's going to be bruised from head to toe before this one's over. Look at those eyes.
Oh, yeah, this could be big.
Uh-oh, trying to put him away.
Stealing your opponent's finishing move definitely sends a message.
There's the pin. Can his opponent kick out? 3. And that's the match.